RTA4000 Series oscilloscopes boot in about 10 seconds, faster than other scopes in its class. Customize your Rohde Schwarz oscilloscope to make accurate power integrity measurements. In this example, we'll characterize a 1.5 volt power rail using a ZPR20 power rail probe and an RTA4000 series oscilloscope. The probe is specifically designed to see small AC characteristics on DC rails. Adjust waveform coloring to see signal distribution. Use automated measurements with statistics to accurately measure noise and ripple values. See transients that other solutions with higher noise or insufficient bandwidth miss. Rohde Schwarz RTA4000 series oscilloscopes feature a 16-channel integrated logic analyzer option. Use the digital channels to see timing relationships. Group multiple signals into a bus and see bus values. Or view bus activity in a table, complete with time tags. Rohde Schwarz RTA4000 series oscilloscopes feature vertical zoom. Simply draw a box around the portion of the signal you want to magnify. Combined with the instrument's 10-bit ADC, vertical zoom allows you to find small signals in the presence of large amplitudes, like this one.